Hello guys, have a nice day. Hi, Giselle here. Good afternoon. So in this video, I would like to share to you guys that something a good news for me as a YouTuber, as a small YouTuber. So I hope guys that you have also the same situation that as what I have done, I have go through and the same thing. And then yeah, it's really hard for us as a small YouTuber that we are not verified yet. So yes, now I already that for the beginning I really upset that which is the Google AdSense never sent and I never received any of the code that to verify my address to enable my payment from the Google AdSense, my revenue, my earning at the YouTube channel. So hi guys, so this is it, and then I'm so happy. I will share to you guys that it's so really fantastic. But this time that I received a Google AdSense PIN number, okay, from 3 days ago. So if I'm not mistaken. So hi guys. So just as a small YouTuber, don't give up. Like as me, I'm a small YouTuber. I give up last few months. So because I never received, I thought it's really because maybe I'm not sure. Maybe that the letter is lost or they put somewhere else. So they never come and tell us also. So when I request, actually you can request 3 times attempt only of your PIN number. So hi guys, yeah, so this is the Google AdSense from the Google AdSense. Okay, so this is from the Google AdSense. Okay, so this is from the Google AdSense that which is sent to me. Okay, so this is my name. So they sent to me, and then inside is in your PIN number to verify your address to enable your payment, that meaning you can receive money from your earning from your YouTube channel. Okay, so because when we just started, we have to receive this. We can receive this kind of letter when you reach the $10 threshold. Like actually there's 2 types. Okay, so when you reach the $10 US, there's 2 types, $10 and $100 threshold. Okay, so the $10 is your verify your address. So they will send the email. Okay, so the email address they will send to you that hi, you already reached the $10. So we will send to you a PIN number from the Google AdSense to verify your address and to enable your payment. Okay, so once the Google AdSense sent to me an email address, so I did wait for 2 to 4 weeks according to them. I read from my inbox. So 2 to 4 weeks I never received yet. So I give chance. So January 14 I received the email. So okay, never mind. So I give chance until February and until March. So I cannot take it already. So I did I did request through my Google AdSense account. So the PIN number you can attempt until 3 times attempt only to request a PIN number. So when I request the PIN number on April, so they sent to me that 2 to 4 weeks I received my PIN number. So yes, after 2-3 days only I received my PIN number. So this is it, my PIN number now. And then this PIN number I already key in. So it's okay, that's why I show you. So here the Google AdSense. So this is the one. Okay, so this is the 4 types. So no, this is a 4 steps. Okay, so first steps is you sign in your Google AdSense account in the www.googleadsenseaccount.com AdSense actually. So with the email address and password you use during the application. Okay, so when you do the application before in your Google AdSense, you have followed that. Okay, so step 2, you have to go to the settings in the icon there and press payment. Okay, so in the column there, this is a payment. You open the payment, and then step 3, your account information, like example your full name, address, everything. So you have to check everything that. Number 4 is you put your PIN number and submit. Once you submit that, you can you can receive an email address, you email from them that you already verified and you are ready to receive on that. So here is I already applied for my Google AdSense, and then yes, I have a guest here And then yes, I already submitted and put my Google AdSense PIN number, and then I already verify my address. So actually there is two type of threshold. Okay, so threshold $10. So the Google AdSense will send to you an image for your inbox that you put in your Google AdSense, that we send to you a PIN number. Then you can receive for 2 to 4 days or 2 to 4 weeks. Okay, so after that, when you reach again in the $100 threshold, so that's why before that they have to more than $10, they will send to you the PIN number to verify your address and to enable your payment in your Google AdSense. So meaning you can receive the payment from the Google AdSense, and then you continue that, so you have to focus that at least you can earn. So the Google AdSense the time, because very long I never received the PIN number, so the Google AdSense already told me that your video is no longer can receive the advertisement. So I'm so worried about that, so I'm so worried about that, that I cannot receive. So which is really hard for me, and very disappointed that I never receive, and I don't have the advertisement in my video, which is I don't have revenue, that I cannot earn the money from that. Okay, so I hope guys that the same thing. So when I request on April 4, I did request the PIN number from the Google AdSense. So they sent to me 2 to 4 weeks. So that's why I did receive to this week. Okay, so this week I did receive more than 4 weeks actually. So never mind. So at least I did receive already, and then I submit my PIN number. So they verify my address already. So as soon as possible, if I reach my threshold within this month, $100, so I can receive my earning. Okay, so we have already the earning every month when I reach the threshold. Okay, so thank you so much guys, and I hope that everyone will be focused on the career. So as a small YouTuber, thank you so much for watching guys, and I hope support my YouTube channel. And then yeah, it's not easy to be a YouTuber. Thank you so much. I salute you for all the YouTuber, for how many years you all done, and then now you become all famous now. So thank you so much. You deserve it, because it's not easy. I thought it was easy. So thank you so much guys. Thank you Google as you sent to me the PIN number, which is to verify my address and to enable my payment. Okay, thank you so much Google AdSense, and thank you so much for the YouTube creator to teach for guide us for everyone. And then don't give up, just focus on that. And then yes, I already done, and I already enable everything and verify everything, and I'm waiting for that, and I'm focusing now for my content. Okay, thank you so much guys for watching. So I have a guest here. Hi, say hi. Hi, say hi. So I have a guest here, she's playing there, so I take it out because I don't want to play the fire. So hi guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoy my videos. So my YouTube channel, so I do my best that you all support my YouTube channel. Thank you so much guys. Please YouTube my YouTube channel. All my friends, thank you so much for watching. I am not here if without you guys. Okay, so thank you so much for support my YouTube channel, even you all don't like my videos. Thank you so much. If you all never watch my advertisement, don't skip the ads. Okay, so at least I can earn from that. Okay, thank you so much guys. So I hope everyone is safety. Don't give up, make more content, that's all. Don't burn out, just make us what you like, vlog or whatever, that's all. I do a lot of things, everything I want to do should be okay. And then yes, after that you find it that the Google AdSense will give you the PIN number. Okay, so they will listen to you. Just do it as you can, of course not in the danger way. So you have to be try to, so all the YouTuber, thank you so much that you all motivated us as a small YouTuber. So yeah, it's not easy, but I hope that it will be give us life also. Okay, thank you so much guys for watching. I have this little one. Thank you so much Google AdSense. Thank you so much YouTube creator. Thank you so much for the YouTube. I hope guys will be, everyone is happy, and now be safe, stay at home because now it's pandemic. I hope guys that everyone is safety. Okay, so be and hygienic. So just do healthy way, Okay, so every day you must eat the healthy foods, and then keep distance for everyone. Okay, so keep safe, guys. Love you.